how to fix Pinterest sign up problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Pinterest sign up problem on Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Pinterest and then click force stop. And now go to storage and clear data, click clear data and click OK. And after that just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Play Store and then type here Pinterest and check if there is an update for Pinterest, and then just update your Pinterest and restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.